What is going on YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. This is Mike, living with 3M. There's Gabe. Yes sir. He's ready to play some ball, guys. All right, well, as you can see, that's not Legend in the background, and that's not the Explorer in the background. So of course I've not gotten rid of Legend. Y'all don't even think that. Legend's not going anywhere. So, but the wife really got bored with the Explorer, the EcoBoost. You know, I liked it, I really did. But let's see if we can get a better look. Yeah. All right, she wanted a 2016 Toyota 4Runner. That's the limited, and it did not come from the factory with side steps under there. You can see them. Did not come with it. Bolts have never been taken out, so it's completely factory that way, a limited without the side steps. And she's of moderate height, so I'm 6 foot, and she's a little shorter than me, so yeah, she's got to have the side steps. So we're looking at putting those on, not in this video, but when I got it, it's got the carpet floor mats, and we're looking at changing those for the rubber Toyota mats. Wanted to go with the Toyota. Plus, I don't know if you can see over there, there's some right there. Yeah, we're gonna put the AVS vent shades on today. I mean, every car I've ever had has them, or I've had them, I guess you'd say. So okay, all right, this video is gonna be about putting on the stick-on AVS vent shades. In-channel will work, and they look damn good, but on most modern vehicles, you've got the sensor in the window that when you roll it up with something obstructing in the channel, there is a possibility it will interfere and roll your window back down. Some don't, and they look good, I'm telling you. I just didn't want to go through the hassle of returning these, or returning in channels if they didn't work. So stick-on looks good because it's not really going on the white paint. It's going up there in the dark. Let me flip the camera around and I'll show you. Okay, so like the guy at the auto parts store was telling me, if this was white and you stuck the dark on, it would contrast and you could see the stick-on. But since it's in the dark area, it'll all blend together. You won't even be able to tell that they're stick-on, and you'll see that once we get started. So just something to think about. Oh, before I really get started, you guys, got these from Advance Auto, but you can pick them up from the Toyota dealership. They actually had them in the parts section when I went to get the floor mats, so I could have saved time and just got them from there. You can get them online, you can get them just about anywhere. These are AVS vent visor side window deflectors. So, and there is 4 of them. Wow, guys, I just opened these up and I was like, what is this? That's cracked all to shit. Look at this, holy moly. Oh my God. So, nothing ever goes smooth around here. No smooth installs. Okay, so I just cut all the plastic off, so we're going back to the parts store. Okay, guys, I am back from the parts store. They had to order from another store to get the correct, well, it was the correct part. This one's just not mangled like before. And I'm gonna give a huge shout out here to Mike Harvey, who is the manager at the New Hope Advanced Auto Parts store. He's the manager, and he made it right with this, and he's just a great guy. I'm gonna tell you, I usually don't give shout outs like this to just, he didn't give me anything for free, no sponsorship. He's just a great guy, and he will give you the best price that he possibly can. So it's not like he's there to try and get over on anybody. This guy is for real. I'm telling you, he's a good Christian man. So if you are in North Carolina or Gaston County in particular, I can tell you, Mike Harvey, general manager or manager, I'm not sure if it's general, but he's the big man at Advanced Auto in Gastonia. So if you all will, please check him out. Isn't that right, Gabe? Gabe says, yeah, please check out my bud up there. So, all right, got the part in. Let's get it on the 4Runner. Okay, I've come over here to the car and I brought, be careful with this stuff. If you drop it, it will bust and crack and scratch. So, okay, like I was saying, it's gonna go right on this part right here. So, yeah, so it won't go up on the white paint. All right, so we're gonna clean this with alcohol pads that we have. Okay, as you can see, the alcohol pad, that takes off quite a bit right there. Yep, that's from the alcohol. And now we're gonna peel, flip it over and stick. And do not just stick blindly. Have a good eye in lining this thing up before you start pressing down. Make everything even as possible, as best you can. All right, I'm trying video while I'm doing this, while still concentrating. Just throw all this down. Yeah, this is the dark gray 3M tape. 3M as in the tape, not the channel. Living with 3M is not anything to do with adhesive tape, just so you guys know. All right, so I'm gonna line this up. See, it took me a second to get that on. All right, now we're moving to the back. Make sure they line up, because if you get them, I mean, it would be very hard to get left on the right and right on the left, because it just wouldn't go right. You know, it would have the curve there, curve fits right there, so it's going to be somewhere right about in there. So let's get it cleaned. I'm sorry, there's about 4 leaf blowers going in my neighborhood at the moment, and you guys know there's never a dull moment in my videos. So right now I'm having trouble getting alcohol wiped out. It's been a rough day. Isn't that right, Gabe? Yes, sir. It's been a rough day. Oh, it's all good. So you clean that really well with the alcohol. All right, leaves a little black on there. I'm gonna toss that right there for a moment. Yeah, sometimes I think that removing the red backing to the tape is the worst part of the whole job. I'm sorry guys, it takes a while to get this stuff off. Probably lost concentration of my viewers. They probably stopped the videos like, damn man, he's taking forever. All right, so you want it to go in the same area. All right, measure twice, stick once. All right, that is about as good as it gets right there. All right. And I forgot to mention, if it's 30 degrees where you're at, I just wouldn't do this unless it was inside, temperature controlled. Today it's like 80 something degrees outside. 70 and up, I would only do this unless you have, like, you know, something to heat the tape up a little bit, or the surface. I advise against heat guns, stuff like that, because you can really do a lot of damage if you don't know what you're doing. So there you go, guys. One thing to mention, one thing, it says AVS, their logo. That is just a painted little graphic on there. So if you take Meguiar's, I think it's like it's a cleaner wax, Meguiar's cleaner wax, then you put that on there and go back and forth about 40-50 times, just like you're waxing it. It will remove that. It emulsifies like that little spray paint that's on that. So if you don't like the AVS look, you want it just blacked out, clean look, you can remove that. All right, so we're gonna back up and take a look at it. Oh yeah, man, it looks great. All right, as you can see, the AVS, it's hard to see right there, and some people, it may not even bother them at all. But for me, like I told you, Meguiar's cleaner wax. You put just a little bit on your rag, and it's gonna take some time. It's not gonna just come off first wipe. You're gonna have to work at it and work at it. I wouldn't put too much pressure either. You don't want to snap the plastic. See, it's taking it off, but real slow. So it's something that once you start it, you really need to see it through, and it's going to take a while. I'm seeing it starting to lighten up now. You definitely see it's dark on there. Maybe just take your finger. Put some pressure here where it won't hurt me. Look at that, it's already taking it off. Apologize about the length of this, guys. You can fast forward if you want to, but it's Meguiar's cleaner wax. Look at that. So just a few minutes out of your day if you want the clean look without any logos or anything like that, which I don't mind the logo AVS, but I just love the clean look. Look at that, there it is. Not sure what what that is. Let's see. Oh, it's just a little bit of that paint. Over there. Clean. So no AVS. Very clean. All right. All right, so that's gonna do it for this video. So the new 2016 4Runner, new to us, 4Runner in the driveway. Just got the AVS vent shades, rain guards, whatever you want to call them. Just done an install, and also a bonus, show you guys how to remove the little AVS logo if you don't like that. So show you right there. All right, so the wife and I are happy with this, and there'll be much more modding to come. So check it out. Tell me in the comments below if you like it. Also, along with the shout out to Mike Harvey at Advanced Auto Parts for all his help, knowledge, and just being a great guy. I also want to throw a shout out to my brother out in Texas, Coyote Mike. He's got some big plans. I don't know if I should say, but anyway, Venom is getting some upgrades soon. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what him and his channel have in store for us. So everybody check out Coyote Mike. And if you like Ford F-150s, lifted trucks, fast trucks, man, check him out. All right, tell him Mike, Living with 3M, sent you. Catch you in the next video, guys. Later.